175,000 jobs are available right now for foreign workers in Czech Republic. If you do not know the demographics of where Czech Republic is, do not worry. Europe is very huge, offering a lot of opportunities for foreign workers, for overseas workers, wherever you are from the world. And that is why I'm always here updating you on a lot of opportunities from all over the world that you can get jobs around anywhere you want. If you're coming across my video for the first time, please do remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment. I share information matters, relocation abroad, either to work, for study, for conferences, and also how to grow your personal finance. That is how you can make money online passively. I will definitely, and I always definitely leave all the links about all the information I share on my description box. So always be sure to check that out. So today I want us to go through something, and this is opportunities in Czech Republic. Czech Republic is a country in Europe. It is under the European Union. That means it's a country in the Schengen zone. The long-term visa in Czech Republic is for only 201 euros. If you compare that with the long-term visas in the UK that are around 1,200 pounds, then it will make a lot of sense for you to compare and to think of Czech Republic as a country where you want to consider to relocate. You can move to Czech Republic under two pathways that I'll be sharing with you today. The first one being the study route, that is to move as a student. The second one being how you can get jobs and getting jobs in Czech Republic. I'll be sharing with you websites. I'll also share with you at least 4 universities on the description box that you can go look at, and the universities in Czech Republic are asking for a very minimal requirement, and in terms of monetary value, when you compare them to other countries like the UK, like Canada, this is a country that you'll want to consider. And the good thing with Czech Republic, if you move there as a student, you are allowed to move with your dependents. The advantages of you moving to Czech Republic is, one, it is under the Schengen zone, so you'll be able to travel around the EU very fairly and at very fair cost. 2, your children are allowed to access the healthcare and education system for free. In case you're wondering, where is Czech Republic? Czech Republic neighbors Germany, Austria, Poland, and Slovenia. So if you just look at the European map, you'll get the demographics of where Czech Republic is. If you want to move to Czech Republic as a student, most universities will ask you for at least 2,000 euros per year. The reason why I think that is very fair is, in most universities for postgraduate, that is at least masters in the UK, you'll get anywhere between 12,000 to 15,000 pounds per year. In Czech Republic, if you want to move as a student, you just need 2,000 euros per year. So if you ask me, I'll tell you, like, if you want to move the fastest, because student route is one of the fastest routes that you can move to any country, move to Czech Republic as a student. The tuition will cost you very less, and also the cost of living is not quite high. If you want to move to Czech Republic as a worker, definitely you need a job offer. And the good thing with Czech Republic is that they are always and mostly asking for unskilled workers. So if you know you're a mechanic, if you know you're a driver, if you know you can cook, if you know like you can do the menial jobs in domestic work, then please do watch this video till the end, because I'll be sharing with you 2 very well-known websites that you can get jobs in Czech Republic. There are quite a lot of number of universities that are in Czech Republic. 1 or 2 of them being 1, Prague College, 2, Charles University, and there are quite also a number that I leave them on the description box. Prague College and Charles University are very well known to offer very good courses for international students, and also at least you'll get courses that are at least require international students to pay for at least 2,000 euros. And also allow me to share with you websites that you can get jobs in Czech Republic. There are quite a number of jobs that are available on the first website in Czech Republic. That is profesia.cz. CZ is the symbol or the short form of Czech Republic. The only thing that you need to know when you come to this website first is always remember to turn the website from the first language, the English language. The other thing is if you want to find yourself a job, is you position, put the position, the keyword of the company, and the municipality, district, region, or country that you're looking to move. So for example, Prague is one of the cities that are there in Czech Republic. So if you want to come and check what is available, you come and check on the jobs that are available. And actually there are quite a number of good jobs that are paying there, and they're paying anywhere between 5,000 to 6,000 euros per month, depending on your kind of skills. Some will pay lower, some will pay higher. Different positions: sales representative, administrative, worker, clerk, programmer, account manager, working area, trade, information technology, administration, construction, and real estate. Company offers some from recruitment agencies, others from top employers, and others from also the government. Language skill, at least, you see, English language 154, Czech language 91, German language 18, Slovak language 17. So if anyone is worried about like Czech Republic does not have English jobs, there are quite a lot of English speaking jobs. Python programmer, tool builder, customer service specialist with German or French, executive assistant in an international company, looking for a steward, coordinator, etc., etc. There are quite a lot of numbers. So you do not need to worry if you do speak English language, or if you know the Czech language, or if you know the German language. That does not matter. All you need to do is be very straightforward, because also most of their courses are like that they teach in school. Most of them are taught in English right now, or rather quite a number of them. And also now there are quite a number of also jobs that are very, very many in number that they're offering in English. So anyone who is always asking, some of these countries in Europe, some are Scandinavian, some we do not know the language, please, right now, every country that I know of is actually adapting to the English language, because a lot of these people in this world are speaking the English language or English language as their first or second language. So also, as foreigners or as other countries are looking for foreigners to move, they're opening their doors more to English speakers. Another one that I'd want to look at is jobspin.cz. Also, this is a company, or rather a website that is in Czech Republic. The only problem that I have with this website is that most of their jobs, yes, are in English language. The only upside story is that most of their jobs are in English language, but the jobs are not quite a lot compared to the other first website. So once you come here, as I said, you see all these is written in English. The overview, what is the the company is all about, what do they offer, what kind of salaries are there, proficiency in English and a second language such as German, French, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Czech, Romanian, Russian, Hebrew, Dutch, Polish, Turkish. You see, anyone who is worrying about the English language, these kind of countries should not be telling you that the only thing you need to do is go back to school, get either French, German, Italian, Spanish. Myself, I am getting proficient in Spanish because I came to realize this Europe, you have to at least excel in another language other than English, because you'll be very well better placed in terms of when jobs arise and you need to, show like you have any other, or you are bilingual, or you know any other English. So what I'll tell you is, please, Duolingo is there. It can help you maneuver. Go back on Duolingo, have a German certificate, have a French certificate, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese. From my experience, German and Spanish and French are very good languages to learn. And now also Korean or what you call Mandarin is coming very, very close, because also people are adapting to a lot of content from those sides, that is from Asia in general, and that is North Korea, South Korea, Japan. There are a lot of people adapting to such kind of languages. So if you ask me, please, 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 other than English, get yourself a foreign language. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please, please do remember to subscribe, to turn on the notification bell, leave a comment if you have any. And until next time, be safe and keep safe. Bye. See you.